Well, we have a breaking input coming in. Central government has cracked down upon Delhi apathy. Now, new rules for coaching centers have been ordered by the LG. LG orders formation of a new panel center in some areas. The coaching center, in fact, in some areas are overcrowded. There's a need to develop a coaching hub in Delhi, focus on regulation, desilting of drains. Chief Secretary will also be preparing the guidelines, sealing if libraries are found in the basement, and online portals to include centers, and also instant crackdown on the rentals that are charged by the, by the PGs, in fact, in the areas just as Old Rajendra Nagar. Now, LG will also review all the issues within 15 days is what we're getting to know. But this is the breaking input that Delhi LG has formed a committee to address issues related to regulation of coaching center. Teshi continues to be live with us. Teshi, this, committee has been formed by the LG yesterday. LG also met with the students. Give us more details.
Yes, now LG has written to Chief Secretary, and in fact he has also mentioned that Chief Secretary will be heading a committee which will be having 5 to 6 representatives, that will be including coaching institutes, representatives of students and officials of concerned departments. Also, this committee will be addressing all the issues related to regulation, then high rental taken by landlords, fire clearance, desilting of drains. So all these issues will be addressed by the committee. Apart from that, Chief Secretary will also take up the matter of formulation of guidelines, then framework of coaching, and then he'll and that should also go in parallel with the Education Ministry. Apart from that, any coaching institute running library or teaching facility in the basement will immediately be sealed. So these were the points that were highlighted in the letter that was written by LG. Apart from that, also the 3 students who have lost their lives, it is also mentioned that the Federation of Coaching Institutes agreed to offer a fair compensation to the families of the 3 deceased students. So all these are the points that are highlighted by the LG. And also, in fact, not only this, but the Commissioner of Police has been directed to do an immediate crackdown on the exorbitant rentals that are being charged in these areas and compulsory cash transaction for revision of tax. So all these necessary measures have been asked to take by the LG to the Chief Secretary. And now it seems like from Delhi government to the Lieutenant Governor to the Chief Secretary, all seem to be in action mode after this particular tragedy took place in Rajendra Nagar.
Also, Teshi, Delhi government yesterday said that they will be introducing a law to regulate the coaching institute, but clearly BJP is saying that this is nothing but a bit to deflect from the issue that, in fact, this was a government failure. Take us through the war of words, in fact.
Well, BJP has been saying that it's been, years, but just the years keep on passing by, and the situation, the condition in this particular area remains the same, and that Aam Aadmi Party keeps on shifting the blame. They just show themselves as they are government who is based on the perfect model of education, health, and infrastructure. But when it comes to the ground reality, it is all opposite to what they claim and say. So that is why BJP has been blaming Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party says that it is that the files are not being signed, or the secretary is not being changed, the officers are not working. So in all, blame game is shifted from one party to another, but the sufferer is the common man.
Well, thank you, Teshi, for all those inputs. We'll keep coming back to you on more on this.